Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or to my Facebook page, Avon by Tanja. I just wanted to come on real quick. I just received some products yesterday that I wanted to show you guys, and it's so funny. I find it, and excuse the mess in the background, I'm in the middle of reorganizing my office space. So one of the items that I wanted to show you guys that, like I said, it just so happened that they're coming up in brochure 5 for a special price. So I ordered myself the Argan Castor shampoo and conditioner. A piece separately, they're $5.99. But coming up in brochure 5, which will be, I believe it starts next week, you can get these, both of these for $5.99. Basically, that means buy one, get one free. Okay, so we're going to try that. And then also something else that I ordered, and I realized, well, it's a bundle in campaign 5. So what you can get is you get a 24-ounce bottle of Avon Senses Vanilla Cream Bubble Bath, and then you'll also get the hydrating shower gel, and then you'll also get the shower brush. All 3 items for $14.99, which regular price, these have a value of $27 for all 3, and that means that's going to be a savings of $12.01. And it's available coming up in brochure 5. If you go on to my online store, www.avon.com/rep store/Tanja Waters in lowercase. You go in, you register onto my store. I will see that you registered. And if you're going to go in and look at the online brochure, it's going to, both of these items are going to be, the shampoo and conditioner is going to be on page 52. And then the 3-piece set of the Vanilla Senses is going to be on page 53. If you have any questions on how to register into my online store, just please leave me a message either on my phone, or you can email me at twaters315@yahoo.com, or you can also send me a message through Messenger if we are Facebook friends. So I would greatly appreciate you guys going and check that. Support my store. There are a lot of new things that Avon is doing. If you would like to be added to my mailing list, then I can go ahead and send you a brochure that you can look at, and something to hold in your hand instead of you looking at a screen. So I can send this to you. You just have to leave me a message, leave your address, so I can mail this out to you. I do have some of these books left. So I just wanted to pop on real quick, show you guys what's going on, and then until next time, bye bye.